So welcome back once again. So we was doing the HM symbol. As I discussed that there was a two scientists, Harman and Morgan. They together coined a symmetry symbol through which we can get all the symmetry just by the 3 digit. So in this, the axis of symmetry we use as a number. Like we said 2, 3, 4, 6. Like this we use here the number. While in case of plane of symmetry in HM symbol, we use as a M, that is mirror plane. And center of symmetry, which is represented by I, we do not use here. We use only the two things. And this is coined by the different unit, and how we will be seeing that, how do we do that? Alright, so isko start karte hain. Let's say for the hexaoctahedron class, for hexaoctahedron class, which is normal class, or we say as holohedral form of cubic system. The name suggests hexaocta, that means 6 multiplied by 8. Hexa 6, octa 8. Hadron, the faces, it is bounded by how many faces? 48 faces. Our diamond itself crystallizes here in this forms. So if we see the symmetry element of this, we have 9 plane of symmetry here in this class, and how they are, that we will be seeing. 9 plane of symmetry are there, and 13 axes of symmetry is there. Right? So 13 axes of symmetry is there, and center of symmetry is present in this class. So 9 plane, how the 9 planes are there? Nine planes of symmetry are there, that we will be seeing. Out of these 9, 3 are axial, 6 are diagonals. This is the only system which has 6 diagonals, that is cubic system. This you have to again remember. So axial 1, 2, 3, diagonals axial 1, the 2, and the 3. These are the axial, right? And if we see the diagonals, one diagonals, 2 diagonals, 3 diagonals, 4 diagonals, 5 diagonals, 6 diagonals. Getting my point or not? One this plane, another one this plane. 2 diagonals are at the top, that is top and bottom, towards top and bottom. 2 diagonals are from left and right, and 2 diagonals are there from front and back. So there are total 6 diagonals like this. Getting my point or not? Now if we see the symmetry element of this hexaoctahedron class, HM symbol, hexaoctahedron class. So we have discussed there are 13 axes of symmetry, 9 plane of symmetry, that I should write as a M only because we have to be habitual for this, that plane of symmetry will be represented by M and I. So we will be coining the how HM symbol are formed. And out of these, as we have discussed, there are 3 axial and 6 diagonal mirror plane in this. And in 13 axes of symmetry, we have 3 types of symmetry: 6 axes of 2-fold symmetry, 3 axes of 4-fold symmetry, and 4 axes of 3-fold symmetry is present there. 6 axes of two-fold symmetry. What does it mean? That means there are 6 faces. If we are rotating a crystal 360 degree, so there is two-fold symmetry. The repetition is 2 times of same face throughout series 60 degree. That is at 180 degree there will be repetition of same face, and there are such that there are 6 such axes which is showing repetition of same face 2 times. There are 6 such axes. Getting my point or not? That means once again I'm explaining 6A2 का क्या मतलब हुआ. This means that if we are rotating any crystal system 360 degree, the two-fold symmetry is there. That means the repetition of same face is 2 times, which is equal to 180 degree. That means after 120 degree there will be repetition of same face. There will be repetition of same face for every 180 degree. And how many such axes are there in this hexahedron class? 6. 6 such axes are there. 6 such axes are there, which is along which if we are rotating a crystal up to 360 degree, we'll be getting same face 2 times in all the 6 axes. In the same way, if we see this 3 axes of 4-fold symmetry, that means there are 3 such axes along which if we are rotating a crystal 360 degree, the repetition of same faces is 4 times, because this is 4-fold symmetry. This is 4-fold symmetry, which means 360 degree divided by 4. So repetition of same face will be at every 90 degree. Getting my point or not? In the similar way, here is 4 such axes are there along which if we are rotating a crystal 360 degree, there will be a repetition of same face 3 times, which means after every 120 degree divided, you'll get the degree. Getting my point or not? So these are symmetry elements, and the mirror plane we have understand. I means center of symmetry is present over there. Still, if you have queries related to this, you may type in your comment box. You can type in comment and I'll explain it, right? So now, finally, coming to the Harman-Morgan symbol for hexaoctahedron class, right? तो अब इसको हम डिटेल में देखते हैं. We discuss axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry and I. इसको हमें लेना नहीं है HM symbol में, तो इसको रहने देते हैं. Axis of symmetry कितनी है? 13, out of which 6A2 is there, 3A4 is there, and 4 axis is 3-fold symmetry. And I told you in HM symbol, we write the axis of symmetry in the numbers. अब ये 2-fold symmetry है. कितने बार 2-fold symmetry है? 6 times. So we will be writing 2 as a 6 times. There are 3 axes. How many times? 3 times. 4-fold symmetry है यहाँ पे कितने बार? 3 axes है वैसे. तो क्या करेंगे हम? 4, 4, 4. And we have 3-fold symmetry. How many times? 4 such axes are there. That means 3, 3, 3. How many times we are going to write? 3 times. So you have to remember this. जितने fold symmetry है और जितने axes है, जितने fold symmetry है उसको कितने बार लिखना है? जितने axes वहां पे है. The number of fold of symmetry is to be written how many times? As much as the number of axes is there. So this was for axis of symmetry. Let's see how do we write it. From the bigger number we write up to the smaller number. And mirror plane, that is plane of symmetry, we write as a M. सो टोटल अगर हमें HM सिंबल निकालना है तो कैसे लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे? एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री. एक्सेस ऑफ सिमेट्री इज ट्रिपल टाइम 4, 4 टाइम 3, 6 टाइम 2, because the symmetry is there, and we have 2 4, that's it, 6 times. And then after that we will be going to write the mirror plane. How many mirror planes are there? 9 mirror planes. So M, how many times? 9 times. 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. As I discussed that they are 3 digit. They are 3 digit. So if they are 3 digit, so we have to choose only 3 digit. So let's choose. एक हमने यहाँ से ले लिया, एक हमने यहाँ से ले लिया, कोई भी एलिमेंट छूटना नहीं चाहिए. एक हमने ले लिया यहाँ से और एक हमने ले लिया यहाँ से. आ गए? But now it is 4 digit and we have to reduce it to 3 digit minimum. There are so many classes where there is only single unit even, and there are so many classes where it's 2 unit, but it never can be greater than 4 unit. So in this class, if this mirror plane are perpendicular, so it goes into the bi. Getting my point or not? So it goes into the bi. And one more thing is there. These 3 is with the bar. What is bar now? This is roto inversion. Which means it is 4 such axes are there, along which if we are getting 3/4 symmetry, so हम rotate करें, जैसे कि क्रिस्टल ये है, इसको हम क्या कर दें? रोटेट कर दें, ऊपर नीचे कर दिया. जैसा जब अभी लेट से कि इधर मैंने ऐसा बना देता हूं, तो अब ये फेस जो है ऊपर को चले गया. इसके बाद भी अगर हम 360 डिग्री रोटेट करेंगे, if we are rotating again 360 degree, there will be a same thing. The rotation, after rotation, symmetry will be retained. If the symmetry is retained even after inversion, then that is known as roto inversion. So it is 3 bar. And what I said is that these are 4 unit and we have to reduce up to 3 digit. So what we will be doing now, actually this plane is perpendicular to the this 3 axis of 4/4 symmetry and also towards the diagonal, that is 2/4 symmetry. So it will be 4 by m, 3 bar and the 2 by m. Getting my point or not? So this is our final HM symbol, which is reduced to 3 units. If you have any queries, please do let me know. Type in your comment box. I'll explain you one more time if you have any queries related to this. Is it clear? In the similar way, we have to calculate the HM symbol for all the 32 classes of the 6 or 7 crystal system for all. Hope you understand how to calculate these. There are so many methods even which we can calculate again by the different methods as well. So HM symbol. Let's see the normal class of tetragonal system. We'll calculate for that as well. Tetragonal system. Tetragonal system, which is known as ditetragonal dipyramid, which is also known as ditetragonal dipyramidal class or normal class or the holohedral class of the tetragonal crystal system. Is it clear? So in this, if you remember the normal class symmetry of the tetragonal system, there are 5 axes of symmetry and 5 plane of symmetry and center of symmetry present. Out of these, 2 are 5 axes of symmetry is there, right? 3 are axial and 2 are diagonals. Here, 3 are axial, 2 are diagonals also. It is same here. Getting my point or not? It is same here in all the cases. So now, if you'll see here, these three axes, how these are there. There are 4 axes of 2-fold symmetry and 1 axis of 4-fold symmetry. 4 plus 1, 5. And 5 mirror plane, 5M. So if we have to calculate the HM symbol, so 4 axes of 2-fold symmetry, 4 axes of 2-fold symmetry, and 1 axis of 4-fold symmetry, and 5M. This is what we require to calculate the HM symbol. So how many times we have to return 2? 4 times. And how many times 4? As 1 time. So what 4? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And 5 time M, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now in the next step, what we will be doing? We will be choosing 1, 1. Why I have chosen the 2? Because I know in this that this is normal class, and in on the normal class, these mirror plane are perpendicular. So this will be 4 by M, 2 by M, 2 by M. These are the HM symbol for the ditetragonal dipyramidal class. Still, if you have queries, please let me know. You have 2 minutes to think about it, how to calculate this. So, and if you have any queries, type in comment box. No queries? So this was HN symbol. How do we calculate? Sometime you will get direct question, what are the HM symbol of ditetragonal dipyramidal class, the hexaoctahedron class, the gyroidal class, or something by the name. You have to take out the HM symbol, or either there will be a stereograph through which you have to calculate the HM symbol, or will be given what are the HM symbol for this element, or sometime we'll get the questions like what symmetry elements are there, right? So that we will be seeing. Is it clear? All right, then we'll stop here the today's class.